In this video, I will show you how to open and sync the OneNote Teal Digital Planner on secondary mobile devices, such as your iPhone or Samsung Android phone. Since Microsoft OneNote is a cloud-based application, installing the digital planner on your Microsoft OneDrive allows you to access it from anywhere, whether you're using Windows, Android, or iOS. The Microsoft OneNote app is available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once installed on your mobile device, it provides seamless access to your digital planner wherever you go. Before accessing your planner on a mobile device, you must first set up the Teal Digital Planner on your primary laptop or desktop and sync it to your Microsoft OneDrive cloud. Let's briefly review the installation process on your primary device. For Windows users, the setup is simple. Double-click the installation file to begin the unpacking process. In the dialog window that follows, choose your OneDrive folder as the storage location. For the full-size planner, the unpacking and syncing process may take some time. After installing the planner on your OneNote on your desktop or laptop, you can now proceed to open it on your mobile device. To do this for the first time, you need to first download the OneNote app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and once installed, log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Depending on if you are new or existing user, you may be prompted to preview existing notebooks or set up a new one. In our case, we just installed the new notebook of the Teal Digital Planner. Now, to access the planner on your mobile device, go to the Notebooks section. Tap More Notebooks at the bottom of the list. Your Teal Digital Planner should appear among the top 3 choices since it's a recently opened file. Tap on the planner to open it. You'll notice the pages begin to load. Similar to the desktop version, the first time you open it, pages and sections may load slowly. This is normal and only happens the first time. Subsequent loads will be faster. As you begin clicking through pages, there may be a brief delay, a few seconds, while images or backgrounds load. Once everything is fully loaded, you can start navigating your planner using the hyperlinks embedded on each page.